Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will talk about the latest advanced drones for the Ukrainian forces. According to information, the French government has delivered 150 Delair drones to Ukraine. This was confirmed directly by the Minister of the French Armed Forces, Sébastien Lecornu. The addition of Delair drones to Ukraine's military arsenal is expected to significantly improve the country's situational awareness and military capabilities. However, the specific model Delair supplied to the armed forces of Ukraine has three main drone models in use. The three Delair variants that will be used by the Ukrainian forces are UX-11, DT-26, and DT-46 drones. So, what does this French Delair drone look like? To get to know him further, see the following review. For the Delair UX-11 variant, this drone is a fixed-wing professional mapping that offers significant productivity improvements. And setting it up is very easy to fly and generates high-quality aerial data. This UX-11 feature has a wingspan of 110 centimeters, a length of 75 centimeters, and has a total weight of 1.4 kilograms. This drone is capable of flying at an altitude of 120 meters and has an endurance of up to 59 minutes per flight. In carrying out operations, the Delair UX-11 can be launched at a 30-degree angle by troops with very easy hands, with rotation at a distance of 5 meters, and has a fast deployment time, and flying in the air with a cruising speed capable of reaching 54 kilometers per hour. UX-11 Delair has a good communication range that can work very effectively using 3G and 4G networks, and has an optional radio link that can reach 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers in FCC configuration. The drone can provide spectral data optimally and precisely geolocalized plant data, equipped with multispectral and fully integrated cameras for wide-view images. For the second variant supplied to Ukraine, the DT-26, it is a long-range surveillance drone that provides real-time video streaming and recording capabilities, and can be used in connected day and night operations in a variety of applications for surveillance, mapping, and inspection. The DT-26 is operated using a catapult launch mechanism, which can be deployed in less than 8 minutes. The DT-26 is capable of operating in BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, which can fly with a flight range of about 50 kilometers, and has a long flight endurance of up to 110 minutes, with a maximum convergent range capability of 110 kilometers. DT-26 can be operated by 2 people. This drone is relatively light, with the largest variant weighing only 18 kilograms, and is designed to be used continuously in all seasons. Furthermore, a drone that is likely to be of great interest to Ukraine is the DT-46. Due to its long-range endurance, it is equipped with a dual-sensor dreadlock ISR payload and incorporates EO, IR as well as LiDAR, laser detection and ranging, which can work for enemy reconnaissance, surveillance, and monitoring of critical infrastructure. Consisting of 2 variants, the DT-46 in vertical launch has an endurance of 3 hours 50 minutes with a flight range of 100 kilometers. and launch using a catapult has an endurance of 7 hours 30 minutes in the air and is capable of flying up to a distance of 200 kilometers. The DT-46's advantage in operation has a quick change of airframe configuration in the field within 15 minutes. Then, it can take off and land automatically with autonomous flight, and is designed to also be used continuously in all seasons. However, the most notable features of this drone are its low audio and radar, as well as high endurance. Delair drones are known for their stealthy and silent operations, so they are ideal for covert operations for the Ukrainian military without being detected by the enemy. Delair is a drone manufacturer based in Toulouse, France. The manufacturer has been producing this wing UAV since 2011. Previously, these drones were used to oversee industries such as utilities, transportation, oil and gas, mining, agriculture, and emergency services. Delair drones that Ukrainian forces will use can be used for target acquisition in the process of accurately identifying and locating enemy artillery targets and weapon systems, targeting enemy forces and minimizing collateral damage. The Delair drone's wider range is particularly beneficial to Ukraine's military operations in gathering more intelligence about enemy forces and their movements, as well as providing more flexibility in terms of deployment and mission planning.